Here's our row of sugar snap peas. They're coming up real good now. We decided to put T-posts up this year and then attach fencing to it. We use these ties here to detach the fencing, about three or four different places. And this fencing is really nice. We had it in rolls here. We put it around our trees in the fall to keep the deer, from hurting them. And we had some over there left over. So we thought, well, we'll give this a try. And it didn't take long at all. We just put these T-posts in about every 3 or 4 feet. And then we attached the wire to it. And the wire is up about, an inch or two from the bottom of the ground. And I planted peas on both sides. They're coming up real good now. We got straw around them because when they were real tiny, or they were first coming up, we had some really cold spells, and I didn't want to take any chances, so we put straw over them, and it protected them real good, and they just came right up out of that straw, and they're looking real nice now. But if you want to find a way to do this, we've done it before and did lots of strings and everything for them to climb up on, and it was really backbreaking work. But this was very easy. Just put the T-post in the ground and attach this wire fence and just let them climb up it. We haven't had to tie them or anything. They're just attaching themselves. As you can see, as they come up, every now and then I'll just push one up against the wire if it's, not, and just like that. And they're really doing good. And I think it's a good way to do it if anybody wants to try it this way, instead of doing the strings, which takes a lot of time and it's a lot of work. And these are looking real nice. So I'm anxiously waiting for when they start to bear.